Und jetzt fahren wir zu Alis Shop. Also sein Bruder, der hat einen Shop hier in Hazara Town und dort fahren wir jetzt hin.
Our shop, and he is my brother. He is the mechanic. His name is Sharifi, and I work with my brother. Yeah, then my brother is mechanic. He changed the oil and he make the engine, and every kind of cars we will make it. Yeah, so we will buy here many parts of gadi. It means cars, and we buy also here oil, the motorcycle oil, rickshaw oil, the syringe, its oil, and the car's oil. This is the oils, and the nut bolts. This is called nut bolts and mukis
Okay.
for the
So this is also for the engine.
yeah, for the engine, for
Okay.
the yeah.
So your
body parts.
so
Yeah.
your brother is the mechanic, right?
Yeah, he is the mechanic. He make. I'm here just for sale, but he is the mechanic. Yeah.
He's the mechanic. Okay. So you do the hard work.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah.
So since when you do have this shop?
Since 5 years, we doing this work.
Okay. And so you two are working.
Yeah, we do.
This is yeah.
This is our shop. We are working. I'm just selling this. Yeah, working. My brother is working.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And so you have a garage also, right?
Yeah, we have a garage here, but today is Friday. That's closed.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So today is free.
Yeah, today
No
is
work.
free. Let
So-
me show you the gate.
Okay.
Yeah, come. This is our garage, because today is Friday. It means it's off. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm really happy that I have the possibility to see your shop here.
Thank you.
It's so great.
Thank
It's so
you.
great. So you have a lot of customers, I guess, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So let
we
me
have a lot
check
of
again.
customers that the line driver that they took the passenger from here to Islamabad to Karachi. They are our customer.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ah, okay, for the long distance traveling.
Yeah.
I was actually traveling from Islamabad to Quetta, and it could be that parts from your shop in this car.
Yeah.
Okay.
They buy the parts from here.
You also do the suspension, or it's more the engine things?
Yeah, both.
Both. So
Yeah, both.
actually everything regarding cars?
Yeah,
Is-
everything.
Okay. Is it also that you are welding and
No,
repairing?
we can't make welding because it's different. Welding
Okay.
is different. Yeah.
Okay, so you're spare parts supplier
Yeah.
and change the parts.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we make the, for example, where the car is dent, so we make this also.
Ah, okay. Yeah, I see there is a lot of going on. This is also for mufflers.
Here
you
is
have parts, radiators.
106 kinds of spare parts.
106.
106 kind. Yeah.
Okay, and so
Different kinds. Yeah.
the main car company is Land Rover, you said.
Yeah.
Or is it Toyota also and
Yeah,
others?
yeah.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
So you have more. Okay.
Yeah.
Wow, this is incredible. Okay, I really have to. I need to have a look here. So I see there is Suzuki, Honda parts.
Suzuki, yeah.
Wow,
Like
this is amazing.
Yeah, we can make this also. Yeah, this is spray, engine spray, 7C for the shine. This is the brake oil,
Oh wow,
Yeah.
okay.
carburetor spray.
Okay, so also for the inside, for the
Yeah.
cleaning, for the
Yeah,
customers.
Yeah.
Wow. Because of these parts here, I think you also can repair, or let's say your brother repairs also the engine itself. If it's broken,
Yeah.
they came here
They came here.
and then you repair it.
Yeah.
Wow, this is really amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, I see there are also belts
Yeah.
and
There
other.
is, a lot of belts.
Okay,
Yeah.
I see. A
Yeah.
lot of different belts.
Yeah, here is
Yes.
a lot of different belts. can see.
So you do also the car electronics?
Yeah.
Like for batteries or?
Yeah.
Okay, wow. Ah, okay, you have also bumpers here.
Yeah.
New one.
Bumpers,
Yeah.
filters, leathers,
What is it?
leather. Let me show you.
What is later?
Brake leather.
Ah, okay. Now I understand.
Yeah.
Okay,
brake leather for the brake.
for the brakes.
Yeah.
Okay, wow. Yeah, this is really important because when I drove these
Yeah.
taxi drivers,
Yeah.
they drive so fast, and then you have the mountains, it goes downhill.
Yeah.
Brakes are important.
Yeah.
And what is even more important, I know, it's the horn, right?
Yeah.
Because this is one of the most important thing. You have to press the horn all the
press
time.
horn, yeah. And
Okay,
this
these are
is filter, AC filter.
yeah
Yeah, for the AC.
for the AC.
Yeah.
Okay, so if the AC is broken, you also can repair and replace
No.
parts. Okay, so you
Yeah.
more the spare parts like
Yeah.
filters.
Yeah.
And okay. Oh, guys, this is really amazing.
Yeah.
This is the first time actually I'm in a repair shop, and now we are here in Quetta in Pakistan.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is
This is Hazara Town. Yeah.
This is Hazara Town.
The first shop in our place, in our Hazara Town. Since 5 years, we are doing this.
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it's amazing. It's amazing. And so you do this full time, or
Yeah.
so it's full time
Yeah,
job?
it's full time.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
The
just
shop-
just 2 days off, right? Tomorrow you work again.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Ah, incredible. Yeah, I have just few questions.
Okay.
Where did your brother learn how to fix cars? How
my
is
brother was 7 years old. He learned to bazaar with my brother-in-law. He is also a garage mechanic. He worked there till 70 year. Then he came here because of the this environment. This is not so good. That's why he came here to Hazara Town. We opened here a garage, and now we work here.
Okay, wow. This is really interesting. With 7 years you started. This is just amazing. So cool. And since then you always work on cars, like yeah.
Yeah, we have. This is also the pana that we open the filter of. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So these
Yeah.
are the tools for
Yeah.
the filters.
Yeah, for the filters.
Okay,
yeah.
wow, this is so it's
There
really
is also
amazing.
A lot of.
things.
Yeah, here.
Just
Yeah, under.
oh, okay.
Under of the table, yeah.
Yes, I
Yeah.
see. Ah, this is amazing. And what I else have to say, this place here. So the shop is really great. The garage is nice, and the spot is very cool because they are directly here in this, let's say, in this main road.
This is main road, Kirani from Bazaar. They came from Bazaar here, then here they go to bypass. This is the main road.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
the main road is the best location you can have a shop. So they came here, they see the shop, and of course they enter, and the guys
Bypass
fix
is
it.
the international road, the international highway. Everybody knows.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you said from this direction it comes from
this
Bazaar.
direction from Bazaar.
Yeah,
They
and
came, then from here they go to bypass.
By bus.
Bypass. Bypass is the another highway. Is
Oh,
near
okay.
of the, yeah.
So it goes to the mountains then.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh wow, amazing.
Yeah.
Good. Thank you. My questions are done. Thank you very much. Okay, guys, this is really incredible. I'm so happy, Ali,
Most welcome.
for introducing me to the shop. Thank you, brother, for opening the shop, especially for me on Friday. Today it's day off, but I hope you enjoyed it, and see you then next time. If your car is broken, don't hesitate. Come here,
Yeah.
call Ali and his brother. They will repair your car. See you guys. Ciao.